Swiss Army knife, and it has 35 tools in it. And the first thing, I will start with a bait potion. There's a small bait for your box and your mails. And there's a big one. It's like for foods or your main blade. And there's a nail file. Like there's a little saw in it. There's a wood saw. And there's a fish scaler, and 3 inches on this side and 7 centimeter on this side. And there's scissors. And there's a little hand cranker thingy that if you open a little more wider, there's a little 2 hooks on it, and that's for your wire cutter. And one thing I'm hard about is this Phillips screwdriver. I gotta take this thing out to get this one out because I need little spaces. And I have a magnifying glasses. And I have a flathead screwdriver with a can opener and the wire stripper. And there's a flathead screwdriver and the can opener. And at the other side, if you open the corkscrew, inside the corkscrew there's a little flathead screwdriver. And right next to it, there's a little straight pin. And one more thing I'm hard about is this little drill thingy, and it could drill woods. And there's another flathead screwdriver. And the pistol hook, when the bass, you hook it on and you use it. And there's another little drill for your belt when you need a new hole. It's too big or small. You could drill another hole with it. And on the one side, there's a tweezers. And then other side, there's a toothpick. And then other side, there's a full bullpen size that you could use it very well. And bye.